Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Thanks for stopping by today. As the title says, it's another unboxing video. Yes, I still haven't crafted. Oh dear, never mind. I've got lots of inspiration now, which I haven't had for a while. This is my pre-order from the September-December mini catalogue. I can't show you inside that yet, just the cover. First thing I got was a bundle, the decorative trees bundle. If you look at that, there we go. Comes with dies, decorative tree dies. There we go. And you actually get 2 sheets of dies with this, which I'm about to show you. Right, there we go. You get those dies, which you've just seen, and you also get those dies as well, which obviously match the Dubras stamps and things. I'm guessing that would be like tinsel, I'm guessing, and you could do it in different colours, and baubles of course. Yeah, nice. Put that away. Next thing I got, it was parts of a suite, the reindeer suite. Now then, I got the real red and white baker's twine. I'll give you a close-up of that. There you go. Beautiful. That's the stamp set. Christmas is better together. May all your days be full of cheer and Merry Christmas. And of course, obviously the reindeer, which also comes with dies, and once again 2 sheets of dies. So there we go. Die for that one, a die for that one, and then dies for the baubles, and then a nice impression kind of die, holly leaves, bells, berries, and reindeer faces. So yeah, nice. It also comes with designer series paper. Right, I've already put this in. I store my designer series paper in these Stampin' Up page protectors, 12 by 12 page protectors. These have been retired a while now, but I bought a shed load before they did, and it's actually nice to see them coming back in our our new scrapbooking range. Now we've become we've taken over. Have we merged or taken over close to my heart? I think they went bust, I think. But a lot of their consultants have now joined Stamping Up, and we're kind of expanding our scrapbooking range, which is really good. So these, I'm guessing the dies may cut some of these out, but anyway, you get and that's going to be good for that. I think my scan and cut will make short work of that. Lots of presents. Anyway, let's show you the paper. There's 2 designs, 2 pages, 2 sheets of each design, so there'll be 6 designs, or 12 designs. Obviously it's double-sided. I'm guessing the dies will cut these out, although my scan and cut will as well. holly and berries, smaller reindeer and baubles. No lights, I should say, red and green lights. The die will cut that one out as well, which is good. And that's the reverse side, a nice plaid. I wonder if the decorative tree dies will cut these out. I'll have to have a look, although my scan and cut will once again. Yeah, and the other side, trees, more trees. More reindeer and snow people, snow persons. And that's the other side, which is baubles. The coordinating colours are, let me show you this. If it'll focus. Early espresso, garden green, granny apple green, pecan pie, pool party, and real red. A lovely selection of colours there, don't you think? Put that back. Apologies for the grunting in the background. That's my darling wife. Now I've got some other bits as well. Rhinestone basic jewels because I'm running low. This beautiful stamp set, cling stamp set. So our beautiful red rubber. Put that over there. Or is it that way around? Then that way around. So there is hope, even when your brain tells you otherwise. It's okay if all you did today was breathe. I've got that as a t-shirt actually. It's part of suicide awareness. You matter, I'm here for you, sharing love and strength this season. And some nice flowers, heart, dottage. Gotta love the dottage. And a scene. The other one, because I needed a new religious stamp set for Christmas, so I've chosen Shepherd's Care, more dottage, a star, peace on earth, Prince of Peace, a beautiful shepherd there and sheep to colour, Bethlehem, praying that you will feel the good shepherd's care in this season and throughout the coming year. And that's another of our red rubbers. There we go, that goes that way. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And the final item, I think this was either in the DSP sale or it was in clearance, I can't remember. But it's the Winter Meadow 12x12 Designer Series paper. And this is going to be perfect because most of the cards I make now are 6x6. You know, I don't really like the A6 size, it's too small. But look at this paper. Isn't it not totally adorable? Nice watercolour effect, which is gorgeous. A winter scene. What's on the back of it? Splodges and dottage. Oh, I do like that. That is nice. Dark blue. Trees. And the reverse of the trees. If I can get my fingers to work. So it's same pattern as before, but in different colours. As it didn't focus, I'll just read them out. The coordinating colours are basic black, Blueberry Bushel, Garden Green, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, Pebbled Path, Pretty Peacock, Shaded Spruce, Smoky Slate. A good range of colours there. I can see me doing another 12 cards with coordinating cardstock. Yeah? Would you like to see that as a future video? Let me know in the comments. So I'll just put this away. There we go. And I'll show you this is my DSP storage, a 12 by 12 scrapbooking folder. And you can see they're in alphabetical order, of course. And that's some black cardstock that's not stamping up because they don't or didn't, but may now be doing 12 by 12 black card, basic black. I had to go somewhere else for that, for my journaling. That one's not quite in. There we go. So actually I can put these away, actually, can't I? So that's Reindeer Days. That's a W. Thoughtful Lessons Perennial. So reindeer goes in there. Hope I'm still in shot. I am. And Winter Meadow. W-I-L. This is W-I-N. So there we go. Winter Meadow goes at the back. And there we have it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little view of my pre-order. It was somewhat delayed due to some shipping problems in the Suez Canal and what have you. The pre-order was delayed by quite a while. So I didn't actually order this till the 19th. But there we go. I hope you enjoyed this. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.